Subscribe to TechJoy and press the bell icon to receive some useful tech videos. Hey, what's up guys, this is Parikshit Mali, and in this short video I'll tell you how to use screen pinning feature on Android mobiles. So first of all, let's understand what is screen pinning feature. Screen pinning feature. So basically it's a feature when you enable it, it will pin your current Android screen on display, so the user cannot access anything else like any other app. So it will be the user will be stuck to the application which has been pinned, and he wouldn't be able to switch to any other application. So in short, he or she will be stuck to some particular application. So let's understand it first, how to use it. So for that, you'll have to go to security and privacy. Actually this is Honor 8 Pro and this is the EMUI 8.0. so first let's understand where to find it. Okay, here in this here guys, screen pinning, which is currently off, so just turn on. And I recommend you to turn on also password prompt when you disable the screen pinning. Okay guys, so now let's do this. Okay, so just assume that in your mobile someone wants to listen music, but you don't want him or her to see your pictures or gallery because there is something confidential. So how will you do that? So first go to music and now press this resend button, and from here you can press on this symbol pinning. So now press OK. So see guys, actually I have enabled screen pinning. So the thing will happen here is, see guys, your notification panel is not available. So the person whom you give this device, he or she can access everything on this device in music application, like changing song, playing song, or deleting song, anything he or she wants. But if you are not with your device and he or she wants to see your pictures or gallery, he will not be able to do anything. He or she will be stuck here until you get rid of screen pinning. So how to get rid of? Here is to unpin this screen. To unpin this screen, touch and hold back and overview buttons. Okay, so so now the device has been locked because I have enabled the option password prompt. When I disable screen pinning, I have to give my password, or what we call it, my fingerprint. So I will use my fingerprint. So guys, see, now I am able to access this notification panel and everything. So this is how you can use this privacy feature, particularly when you are giving your mobile to some child, so he or she can only play the game or some particular display and can't access anything else on your device. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks a lot.